In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error 102 unable to connect to the servers. This error usually means Steam can't reach its services. And it's often caused by a temporary connection glitch, a DNS hiccup, or a minor problem with your Steam client files. Follow along and we'll go from the quickest checks to the most effective repair. Start by fully restarting both Steam and your network. Right-click the Steam icon in your system tray and choose Exit to make sure it closes completely. If you still see Steam running, give it a moment or confirm it's closed before proceeding. Next, power cycle your router or modem by unplugging it. Waiting about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Give it a minute to fully reconnect. Once your internet is back, relaunch Steam and see if the error is resolved. This basic reset clears up a surprising number of 102 errors. If the problem persists, check whether Steam services are experiencing issues. Visit a reputable third-party status site like steamstat.us to see if here is a widespread outage or maintenance in your region. If Steam is down, your best move is to wait until service is restored. Verifying status before deeper troubleshooting saves you time and avoids changing settings that aren't the problem. If servers look healthy, flush your DNS cache. This refreshes how your computer looks up Steam's servers and can remove outdated entries. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. If you are prompted by your system, allow it. Then type the command iconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Close the window and try Steam again. If you are still seeing error 102, repair the Steam client files without touching your games. Navigate to your Steam installation folder. By default, that's C drive. Program Files x86 Steam. Inside this folder, select everything except Steam, .exe and the Steam Apps folder. Do not delete Steam Apps. That's where your game content lives. Delete the selected files and folders. Steam will rebuild the core files and components, effectively performing a clean repair while keeping your installed games intact. Let it finish, sign in if requested, and test your connection. At this point, most cases of error 102 should be resolved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back online quickly.